To import your projects from Asana, you have to create an API token in Asana first. For that, go to your Asana workspace, go to your settings, go your apps, and scroll down to the developer console. Give it a fitting name. And generate the token. Copy the token and go back to awork. Now you can go to the settings and click to the Importer Hub and choose the Asana Importer. From here, you have to space in the token and continue. Now it's showing you all the projects you can import. Choose the ones necessary and select which types and project templates you want to have. Click Next and do the field mapping fitting to your project. Decide if you want to import subtasks, comments, and attachments as well, and continue with the import. When the import is finished, the import progress bar goes away and you see a completed import. If you now return to awork and go to your projects, you can find the imported project in awork.